I think Mr. Jaishankar speaks like a warmonger and not a diplomat. If he believes that threatening nuclear war is diplomacy, then India's problem isn't Pakistan. It's extremism inside its own cabinet. Pakistan categorically rejects these recycled allegations. It is ironic that a country with a sitting prime minister whose reputation speaks for itself would, and particularly given the question that I was just asked by the gentleman just before you about the Indian government's role in assassinations and targeting Sikh activists who is a victim on terrorism, on, uh, on terrorism. Threatening missile strikes and boasting about escalation is not a display of strength. It's a dangerous sign of regional instability. The world must ask, who is the aggressor? Pakistan responded with restraint. India continues to brag about war. Even India's military has walked back its initial lies. Pakistan's Air Force defended its airspace effectively. If Jaishankar is so enamored by Google Images, I suggest he Google what's his name? Abin Andan Chaiwal. Pakistan has asked for evidence. We have nothing to hide. If India has proof linking the April attacks to Pakistan, Pakistan's soil, Pakistani group, let them share this with the international community. To this day, India has been unable to share the names and identifications of the so-called terrorists involved in the terrorist attack in occupied Kashmir with their own people, with their allies, or indeed with Pakistan. The truth is, India knows that Pakistan had nothing to do with this attack. This is why they refused the Prime Minister's call for an international inquiry. And this is why, to this day, they're hiding the truth from their citizens.